Today we're back in Rebecca's van, continuing this epic, I wouldn't say
transformation.
Epic. Yeah, let's go with epic transformation. So what are you going to be doing? You're painting.
I'm painting,
Painting.
second layer of paint, and then we're going to do that.
Drawer. I'm going to do the drawer while you do the painting. This isn't a drawer, it's just a front of a drawer. I know, but didn't you want to put a drawer in there?
Yeah. Isn't it?
Rather than have it at the top down?
Yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Put the drawer?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I thought you was going to have a drop down.
No, we don't need to do that now because
Like
that's
side.
such a low profile. That
This side I put a drop down, you see, but I need to put a chain on there to hold it.
Well, no,
Because there's a sink there, so you can't have a drawer.
But why can't it just fold down?
Like that?
Yeah.
Because...
That'll hit.
No, I was thinking if you have like chains on it and then put a little guard around it, you can actually put things on there whilst you're washing up. You can use it as an extra bit of surface.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Or not?
Can do.
Or would it be risky? Put too much weight on there and the chain will break and it'll go and everything will fall on your feet. Yeah, maybe. Maybe not me.
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe just leave it like that then. Because it's only
to me,
towels and stuff in there.
Having that open and doing that, it just impedes you from getting closer to the sink.
Yeah. Alright, we'll leave that like that then. So we'll call that job done.
You could do that.
Let's concentrate on this side. So where are the drawers?
Oh, they're in the garage.
Garage.
In the unit.
Yeah. Right.
The placement of the front
I'll get a drawer and we'll see.
is lower.
Okay, leave it with me. So you need our paintbrush. I know someone who's got loads of paintbrushes. Let's go get it. Your door is so much easier to open than mine.
Yeah.
There you go. One drawer, two paintbrushes.
Oh, bro, well done. These are my nice ones that Dad buggered up.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, what do I do for that one?
They'll be fine. Yeah, brilliant. Thank you, Bobby.
Absolutely free. Fine tune it a little bit. See, now you've got that, you've gained another drawer.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very damp. It's where it's been in the garage.
Yeah.
You feel it's damp, so it'll be swollen up.
Yeah, I can feel it.
These fronts are quite easy to change, so we can just swap it over
Yeah,
instead of
super
painting
simple.
it. Brilliant. Don't destroy your cooker doing this.
Yeah. Maybe put something over it to protect it.
Oh, hang on, look. What a div. Wow. There you go, one drawer.
That's awesome.
Good job, as Bob would say. That's a proper job, that.
That's a proper job, yeah.
There we go. Good job.
Thank you, that's better.
These little latches are really good. The trouble is they come with these tiny little screws, and to ensure you get this in the precise place that you want it, it's always a good idea to use something like a scriber like this to just poke a little hole in the wood where exactly you need the screws to go. And by doing that with one of these, you won't have any problems in placing this in exactly the right place where you want it. So I'll place the latch where I want it, exactly there. And I'll get my sharply pointy scriber and make a hole exactly where I want the screw to be, like that. And then I can get the screw, the tiny little screw. I mean, look how small these screws are. They're really tiny, minute. can actually point the end of that screw where I want it to go. Then I can simply place it in, and it goes in exactly where I want it to be. Really slowly, carefully, because I could easily rip the thread out using this. It's a bit too much really. Should really use just a normal hand screwdriver. Oh look, there's one. Did I see that there earlier? It's nice and precise now. I'll come to the actual bolt itself. This component here, and we slide the bolt out like that. Place it in there. Again, mark it with our scriber. And then this is the end result. Nice and straight and exactly where you want it.
Yeah,
I'll have
to get some more.
Yeah, look, it's a different shade. We can't have odd colour bolts.
No.
So we're off to home base. Well, we get to home base and the heavens absolutely opened up. It absolutely chucked it down. It was biblical. So we stopped filming for the day, but I did manage to get this little shelf built. And as it turned out, we only had to buy one piece of wood. Thank goodness, because the price of wood now is astronomical. Yeah. This one strip of wood, how much was it?
It was £14.
14 quid for one, like literally just a plank of wood, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This, let me bring you closer and I'll show you what I've made. I've just quickly knocked it up during a monsoon. I actually did it inside the van as well. I couldn't really film it because it was so loud you wouldn't have heard what I was saying. So here's the simple shelf that I've made for Rebecca. Is it how you envisaged it? Is it how you wanted it? Have I done it right?
You have, yeah, you've done it exactly how I wanted it. Just a little shelf, just to put a few knickknacks in while you're in bed so you can reach up and either charge your phone or have a book or whatever you need, but so that it's high enough so that when you're sat under here, you don't bang your head.
I don't think you'll bang your head on that.
No.
No, that's perfect, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that. And this piece, this edging strip here, what you had already,
yeah,
we kind of borrowed it off of Bob. Don't tell him. So the only bit, literally I had to buy one piece of wood, and that's this back piece. So the back of it here, and then the side pieces, you can see before Rebecca caulks it all in, you can see how it's all screwed together and held together. It's literally just a back piece with these end pieces, and underneath we used some of the leftover cladding from the cupboards.
From the cupboards, yeah.
So the bottom of this is actually made out of leftover cladding.
And don't worry about this cable. Mel's put it in.
Oh yeah, we're going to glue that
and
up.
We're going to glue that
groove.
up.
There's actually
a
groove there for that to go into all right along there. So there you are. That's you up to date. Now Rebecca's going to caulk it.
Yeah, caulk it and paint it.
Paint it.
And I need to do that as well.
Oh yeah, you said you've got a heat gun.
I've got a glue gun. Yeah, so
that's
I'm
what we
glue
need.
Gun.
Hot glue gun. Hold that wire up. We're golden.
Yeah. And then we'll paint.
Well, give me the glue gun and I can glue it. I think I can be trusted with a glue gun.
Yeah, okay.
Just about.
Get the Jackery out for the glue gun then.
Alright, how many watts is the glue gun? Be a good experiment, wouldn't it, for the Jackery? Should like my t-shirt.
Yeah, it's nice.
Like it? Like my little logo?
Yeah.
It's like my little logo? Little Big Van Small World logo. Available in my merch shop, but in the below this video. I'd never be a good salesman, would I?
Don't you look dapper?
If I lost weight?
Yeah.
It's only 'cause I'm holding it in.
Oh.
Yeah,
I thought you really had done. Thanks.
and they say the camera never lies.
You're looking very dapper.
Okay, enough of this silliness. Let's get glue gun.
Okay, glue gun's up in the conservatory.
Right, let's do it. Will it work? I was expecting it to come down with a great big power pack. I didn't expect this little tiny thing.
Yeah, this is my little baby.
You love this, don't you?
Yeah.
What is it, a 240 or something?
Yeah, 240 volt.
No, I mean, what size is it?
Yeah, the 240.
This is a 240.
See, Explorer
oh right,
240.
yeah. So this is the Explorer 240. It's so light.
Yeah. You don't need it anything else.
This is 200 watt pure sine wave inverter.
Yeah.
So that should work. You've got to switch it on though. You've got it switched off.
So yeah, this is.
How did she manage to build this van?
This is actually on now.
How did you manage to build this van?
Very well, I'll have you know.
Oh dear. There you go. Yeah. Start this end.
Start which end?
This end. Let's just put a kink in that wire like that.
Because basically I don't want that in the way because I don't want it dripping onto it.
There you go then. Put a little glove under there.
Mind your fingers.
Oh, yeah, it's rather hot, isn't it?
Yeah, don't burn yourself.
Oh, look at that, it works. So Rebecca's brought a little light as well to go on the end so she can shine it down onto whatever she's cooking. That is nice.
It is, isn't it?
That is really nice. I like that. Oops.
Oh, what was that?
Oopsie. Oh, it's just a little Allen key and some screws. That is nice. I like that. That's going to look lovely up there. You need to paint it first, though, before.
Yeah.
It's got style. I'll give you that. You got style. So we'll put this away so it's safe until you finish painting.
Please.
Have another look at that. Look at that. That is a nice light.
If you like brass.
Touch switch as well. I'm impressed. I like that. It's glass as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's glass shade. And it's got
It's
a little
glass.
bulb inside already, I think.
No, I don't think that's a bulb. That's LED, isn't it? My work here is done.
Oh, please don't burn me.
Now talking about new things, I've had to buy a new aerial for my Wi-Fi system on my van. It's a newer version of the one I had. A lot newer. When I say the one I had, that's because the one I had, I have no longer. Because I went for a barrier that was a bit too low for my van.
And it ended up getting creamed on the car park floor.
It did indeed. It was a sad day, but on the upside, it was a lucky day because it could have been worse. I could have had my skylight open, and if that had been the case, then it would have been really disastrous.
Yeah.
On the upside, I've got to say, on the upside, I've now got an updated model to the aerial that I previously used. And the aerial that I previously used was really good. It was brilliant, actually. There's not really a lot left of it at the moment, but we'll save that for another video, I think. Because
Yeah, you're still getting over the shock
I'm a
of
bit
it.
embarrassed, to be honest.
Yeah.
In a pretty sorry state. I'll show you that in another video. We'll save that. Rebecca's got paint in her hair. Look. Oh my god, it's really in as well. That's going to take ages to brush out. Give Rebecca a thumbs up. I think she deserves it. She's got paint all in her hair. Now that she's painted the shelf, I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I think I've done a wonderful job, even if I do say so myself. That looks so much better without that big cupboard in the way now.
Yeah, it's much more open.
Now once that paint's dry, I'm going to fit the light and that'll be it. It'll be job done.
We'll see you in the next one.
So if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you want some merch, check it out down below. And if you want a sticker, all you got to do is buy me a coffee and I will send you one. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now. Don't forget to subscribe to Rebecca's channel. Link in the description.
Bye!